Looking for the best gaming PC under 40,000 rupees? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we delve into the world of affordable gaming PCs, comparing a range of models that promise to deliver an immersive gaming experience without breaking the bank. First up is the Lenovo IdeaCenter 310S. This compact powerhouse comes equipped with an AMD A9 processor and a Radeon R5 graphics card, making it an excellent choice for casual gamers. Its small size means it can fit in almost any space, making it ideal for those with limited room. Next on the list is the Dell Inspiron 3470. This model boasts an Intel Core i3 processor and Intel HD graphics 630. While not as powerful as some of its competitors, this PC offers a reliable performance and an impressive storage capacity of 1 terabyte. It's a solid choice for those who enjoy a variety of games but don't require ultra-high settings. If you're after something a little more powerful, the Acer Aspire TC885 might be the PC for you. It comes with an Intel Core i5 processor and Intel UHD graphics 630. With a sleek design and ample storage, this gaming PC caters to both casual and serious gamers alike. Lastly, we have the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. This machine is a bit of a dark horse in the race, sporting an AMD Ryzen 3 processor and AMD Radeon RX 550 graphics. It's an excellent choice for gamers looking for a balance between price and performance. In summary, the Lenovo IdeaCenter 310S is a compact and affordable option for casual gamers. The Dell Inspiron 3470 offers reliability and impressive storage capacity. The Acer Aspire TC885 delivers a more powerful performance and a sleek design, while the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop provides a good balance between price and performance. So, whether you're a casual gamer looking for a space-saving option, or a dedicated player seeking power and performance, there's a gaming PC under 40,000 rupees to suit your needs. Remember, the best gaming PC for you will depend on your individual gaming preferences and requirements. In the world of gaming, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, so weigh your options carefully, evaluate your needs, and choose the machine that will take your gaming experience to the next level. Happy gaming!